Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. Really nice to have you guys again. Today is going to be a very basic unboxing. I have no other words to put to it. This is like one of the most basic shoes that there are, and I've been wanting it for a while, but I didn't pull the trigger, and then I put in an offer on Goat and I waited. I let it sit, I let it marinate. I let people get hype about other pairs of shoes that are coming up, are in a different color, which maybe I'll get. I don't know yet. And I decided I'm just gonna go for it. I saw somebody put it with the pink laces and I was like, no, that's it. That's the selling point for me. Once I saw that, I must have them. So my offer got accepted on Goat. I got them in the grade school size to save a little bit of money, and they have arrived. So let us get into it. I have been waiting for this pair. Also, this pair took so long to come. I don't know why some of the things on Goat take forever to come. I just don't understand. It's like very inconsistent. Sometimes I'll get something and it'll take like 4 days. I'll be like, wow, I just ordered that. I'm so shocked it came. And some stuff it'll take like 2 weeks. I ordered my Bad Bunny, the pink Bad Bunny shoes before the release, and they still haven't shipped it yet.
I'm very confused.
I don't know. Hopefully they're still coming, but I'm so excited about this.
Is that a squeaky toy?
I'm losing it. Ooh, how do I get it out? So exciting. So this is my first pair of Jordan 4s. I am so excited about this. The joy that I have for this is
Overwhelming.
I told you guys in one of my last videos that I wanted the mushroom 4s when they had come out. Here, I'll show you the tag. Hopefully this time it'll focus, because every time I usually do this, it's like completely blown out and you can't see anything.
But like, at least I tried. I don't know.
But I'm so excited about these. I've been wanting a 4 for a long time and I never pulled the trigger. My Goat stuff.
I love them.
They're so good. Oh, they're better than I even thought. Oh my God. I just love these. Wow. It's like crinkly leather. And I heard that if you tear this away, there's a different leather underneath, which I'm not gonna do that because I'm not that bold. Probably take me a couple days to even wear these. Oh my God, I love them. They're perfect.
They came perfect.
This has got to be like one of the first shoes that I've gotten that doesn't have any damage on it. That doesn't happen often for me. I adore these. So this is the Jordan 4 Taupe Haze, grade school size 7Y. I'm not sure if the normal box comes differently, because I've noticed that grade school boxes are very different than the normal men's size or women's size boxes. But I love these. It's got like crinkled leather all around the toe box, up by where the laces are, the tongue in the back, and then this gorgeous suede all around the mid of the shoe. You have black plastic, you have the Jumpman on the heel, Jumpman on the tongue, and red accent on the inside, or orange. I don't know, I can't see. The ring light, it really does blind you. You have black plastic all around, black on the sole or the bottom of the shoe with a little bit of red accent, red Jumpman, and a white midsole, right? Yeah, white. I freaking love these. These are better than I expected. Wow. I just have to like take in the beauty. I'm just like so overwhelmed by how beautiful that they are. I haven't been this excited about a pair of shoes in it feels like
A couple days.
No, I'm really excited about these. I didn't realize that there was red on them. Why didn't I think of that? Did the pink laced ones have that? Okay, no, I can't find the picture now. I'll probably put it in here. But I saw somebody do it. I don't know how that would go with the red. Oh, I guess it would. Yeah, I could see it. Like it could go with the red. So these released February 27th of this year for the retail price of $200 for men's and $150 for grade school sizes. So really awesome. They're not going too much over retail right now, at least in the grade school sizes. That's why I picked these up. In the men's sizes, it's I think like almost $500 or something crazy. So this was a great pickup. I really love these shoes. This is a great neutral, and the 4s are just on women's feet are just beautiful. I love them. These 3s and 1s are elite. I will be trying to get the UNC 4s because I really like this silhouette. So I will keep you guys in the loop for that, and I will definitely film that when that eventually comes out. That's gonna be later this month, I think, that they're gonna drop. We're gonna hope to get them on sneakers. Wishing you good luck, wishing me good luck. But who knows? It's a gamble. Right now I'm gonna put some on feet and up close of these, that way you guys can get a better look. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and love these just as much as I do. If you haven't already, please give me a follow on my new Instagram. I created a new Instagram just for my sneaker content, all of that. So I'll link it down below, and you can see me wearing these around town. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure that you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss my next video. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.